Hello business owners. Are you struggling with continuous pipeline of new lead generation or referrals for your business?
What happens if your business is not growing, sales is not growing, profits are stagnant? What happens?
My name is Momin Sharmani. I'm a certified trainer, a TEDx speaker, a business growth and profit escalation coach with 35 years of international business experience. I'm co-founder of Tajurba Business Network.
My name is Suresh Sharmani, co-founder of Tajurba, 2 times TEDx speaker, certified Gallup Strength and Business Coach, presidential awardee.
Tajurba is a platform that offers 360-degree growth and transformation opportunities for our members. We organize regular Tajurba meetups every fortnight where members meet to deliver their awesome pitches to pitch their business to fellow business owners and generate qualified referrals for growth of their business.
And Tajurba's vision and mission is to connect 10 million entrepreneurs, SME startups. Yes, 1 crore entrepreneurs, SMEs and startup under Tajurba banner, creating the largest ecosystem in the world and the largest support system for entrepreneurs on this planet.
Tajurba has 4 levels of membership. We have platinum, gold, silver and bronze levels.
At Tajurba, you get the entire sales team, 50 to 100 business owners, members from different categories, working for you 24/7, looking for opportunities for you all the time. That's so amazing.
Besides that, you get quality trainings, the world-class quality trainings that cost lakhs of rupees. They come to you as a benefit, additional bonus.
Watch these success stories of various Tajurba members who have done business, closed business for lakhs and crores of rupees, and these are definitely going to be very, very inspiring for you.
If you need to grow your business and if you have that burning desire and fire in your belly, we are here to support you.
Be part of this networking revolution. Join Tajurba today.
I'm Lohit Rishi from D Concepts, experts of steel and UPVC doors and windows.
Myself, Ravindra Sharma, owner of Meenakshi Studio and Color Lab.
My name is Sarthak Arora. I'm Anil Chawla.
My name is Pawan Sachdev and I am director at Ipsita Insurance Services Private Limited.
Hello everyone, this is Ravi Sethi. I'm Arun Bhutani and I do digital media marketing.
My name is Arun Misra. I am founder of BizBroggy Solution, a software development company.
I am Dr. Rahul Sharma. My business category is dentistry.
I am architect Jitendra from Space Shastra Architect.
My name is Anand. In terms of money, I got over 70 times. That's over close to about 12 lakh plus.
In addition to all this, I have also gained a business of over 10 lakh rupees and counting.
मैं पिछले 1.5 year से तजुर्बा के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और हमारे को-फाउंडर मिस्टर सुरेश शर्मानी जी से बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला.
In terms of business, I've got more than 15 lakh rupees of business.
And in a span of 3 months, I have done more than 2.5 CRO business.
I have done a business of more than 20 lakhs per month.
I've earned 50x. I have been given business by fellow members to the tune of 15 lakh.
And I have received 100 times of business of the fee I have paid for Tajurba.
My friends, a business of 2.4 CR in just a span of 8 months.
I recovered my membership fees within 2 initial business meetings.
Pure consultancy of rupees 10 lakh and this model is increasing day by day.
I'm happy to say that I've got a buyer for that property. 51 lakhs check has been given. Transaction value was 43 crores plus 5 crores for EDC and IDC. Thank you very much, Rajul. Thank you very much, Tajurba. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tajurba. Thank you so much for it. Thank you.